Hi everyone, today I am going to unbox a 160 PCD 5-hole rim which I bought for my MM550. Okay, the PCD is on 60, 5 holes, offset is -30, CB is 110 and the color is matte black. Okay, let us see the unboxing. Okay, this is the one. Can show the side view of it. Is 1.5 3.5 M 50 8J 2003 dot. Okay, it is 8 inches in the inner diameter and it is 15 inch in of the 15 inch in the die width. Okay, can show the other side also. You can see the emblem, the wheel emblem. Okay, that's all. This 160 PCD, which is for MM550. Thank you.